Oh no, one more accident.
The driver has drunk.
Everybody is familiar with this sound.
Would you like to hear it again?
No. Please, no.
Each year, so many lives are lost due to accidents.
And so much property is also damaged.
Can this be avoided?
Hello everybody, I am Yogesh.
And I am Sumedha.
We are here to present a way to control losses that happen due to alcohol.
We know that many accidents happen when somebody acts under the influence of alcohol.
So many accidents can be prevented by restricting the drunk from taking charge.
Really, and prevent so many losses.
But how can you restrict the drunk?
Yeah, or more so, how can you identify a drunk?
That's the question.
TileTech has provided the answer.
TileTech presents a wide range of breath alcohol analyzer.
These devices are small and handy.
They can detect the exact amount of alcohol content in your breath.
This device has a semiconductor based sensor.
And this one here has a fuel cell based sensor.
It's very simple to use.
Let me show you.
Set this mouthpiece.
Like this. And now switch on the device.
Wait for the ready signal.
Blow into the mouthpiece for 3 to 4 seconds until the beep sound. And see the result. See, I'm not drunk.
Really? Let's check it on a drunk.
You may argue.
Why do I need a device? I can smell and tell whether you are drunk or not.
The smell of alcohol can be camouflaged by eating things like gutka, mint, clove.
It works even in such cases. The fuel sensor and microprocessor in this device ensures that you get accurate results.
The reading of this device compares with the results of a blood test.
This device is very useful and its report.
TileTech provides an equally small portable printer along with the analyzer.
It can also be carried along.
Both the printer and analyzer are battery operated.
The analyzer can test as many as 1500 breaths in one full charge.
In one full charge, it delivers a superb performance.
At airports, industries, railways, and on the streets.
All its operations, right from the switching on to test reporting, can be controlled from the computer itself.
It allows you to integrate it with your existing applications.
Like timekeeping system and attendance system.
And one more thing.
Yes.
It can also store more than 30,000 test results.
That is 1500 test results in one full charge and a memory of more than 30,000 tests.
And only authorized personnel can erase its memory.
You can also store an identification number of the person being tested.
This ID number could be a registered serial number or even the employee ID.
To print out some old test reports, just go into the history section and get the print.
This mouthpiece is also an example of an engineering excellence.
It has a sputum trap built into it.
Sputum trap?
Yes, it doesn't allow spit in your breath to enter the device.
This keeps your device safe and extends its life.
If the blow is improper or not adequate to give proper results,
the device gives a blow failure indication and allows to blow again.
It can also be used to check the person who is not in a condition to blow.
This device also has a passive mode of testing.
If the person is able to blow, he is tested in active mode. In passive mode, you just need to take the device near the breath of the person.
The fuel sensor is powerful enough to detect whether the person is drunk or not.
This is the only device in its category.
It comes with color display.
It is very handy and easy to use, along with its wireless printer.
Its long battery life allows its user to carry it along with its equally small wireless printer anywhere.
And use it in a wide variety of environments.
This quality product is brought to you by TileTech.
They have set up a workshop and a development center where they update and improve their products and services.
They also have a state-of-the-art laboratory where the breath alcohol analyzer are calibrated.
TileTech is authorized by Guth Laboratories Incorporated USA to calibrate breath alcohol analyzers in India.
TileTech devices are used by big and small industries, railways, police and security departments in and around India.
And are known for good quality service.
These devices delivers excellent results when tested for the alcohol on the people.
With or without consumption of tobacco, cigarette, pan and allopathic medicines. To procure this high-tech, efficient, portable, sleek breath alcohol analyzer, contact TileTech near Axis Bank ATM, Dayalban, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, India. Our contact numbers are 917752 412 317 and 91810 929 7529. For more information, visit our website www.tiletech.com.